Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. Today I'm going to work on one of the beautiful glass bowl that I got really inspired by one of the YouTuber. Her channel is called as Lovely Moments Creating, and she created purple bowl and out of the yarn and this kind of a round bowl and a mirror and one of the ring holder. So I really loved it because I have talked about my love for lavender color a lot. So when I saw the video, I fell in love with that. So I thought like I should try my hand on it. So here we are. So I got all the items that I needed for this one, but I'm going to do this project with my twist added to it, and I'm going to do the way I want to do. But the inspiration is hers, thanks to her. So the items that I need is one of the round bowl from Dollar Tree. This is actually a decent size, but this size is not available anymore. We get like a smaller versions of it, and one of the suction mirrors and the ring holder. So, so I'm going to use as a pedestal the applesauce container. So this is actually a pretty strong cup and it can withhold the weight of a bowl. So I chose this and I thought like I would give a like a nice pedestal to it. So I'm going to use this like that. And this would be the lid and this would be the lid holder. So yeah, and also I got a garland of violet flowers which I showed in the last haul that I made. So I'm going to use this also as for decorating around the jar. And I also need some more of this violet color diamond wrap. So this is all I got left out from my previous projects. So yeah, I'm going to use this. This also I got from Dollar Tree long back. So I'm going to use this to decorate the lid. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. have it, guys, our final look of the project. So let me explain what I did. I just attached this apple sauce container. So I wanted to cover that because I'm giving that as a pedestal. I covered with the violet flowers, and basically I folded the flower in half and then again half, and then I stuck it with hot glue, and just basically to cover that pedestal apple sauce container. So, and I also attached my glass bowl on top of it, and I attached this ring holder to this mirror, and then I attached the diamond wrap, purple diamond wrap, just to go with the color scheme. And then when I saw this, then I thought like I should be also decorating the gap between the mirror and the ring holder. So I thought like I would give like more petals to it. I just, cut each one like this. Let me show you. I did this off the camera. I just cut each petals and then I stuck individually with hot glue. So it looks like a flower bowl to me. I think it can go for any purple theme party. If you're doing a purple theme party, this can be decorated as a centerpiece, or you can decorate with some, M&Ms or candies inside that. So yeah, this is the final look of it, and I thoroughly enjoyed working this project. As you know, I've expressed my love for lavender many times. So yeah, lavender is one of my favorite colors. Of course, this is a little darker, so it's purple, I think, but still works. So yeah, this is one of the project that I want to share with you in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this and working along with me. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. And also give me your suggestions and comments for improving my channel, and also to do more projects. What are the projects that you would like to see? Please leave the comment. And yeah, and I forgot to tell you, like I'll also leave lovely moments creating video as well in the description box, so you can also see her video as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.